Starting around 05 November 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.070 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.01% in by and large most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. Doge truly has an extremely all-out market cap of $9,971,736,520 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $240,029,818 in a kind of huge manner. This generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, fundamentally positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin essentially be worth in 2023, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Is Dogecoin an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge? Will Doge cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed high, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? These generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a fundamentally significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross an extremely normal value level of $0.093, the normal least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to be $0.089, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, Doge can basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.098, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is supposed to be at around a really least of $0.072, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of $0.082, with the essentially normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars. So Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross a really normal value level of $0.093. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to for the most part be $0.089 in an exceptionally significant manner. Dogecoin value forecast September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach at an especially least worth of $0.080 in September 2023 in an especially significant way. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $0.085, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, showing how might Doge cost in every way that really matters outperform its unequaled high, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, exhibiting that this truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, certainly positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.086, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin for the most part is by and large anticipated to for the most part reach at a for the most part least worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Doge cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0.093, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally will be for the most part anticipated to truly reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.098, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost in a real sense has shown a very decent increment of 2.05% in the all things considered most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Doge by and large was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.5% in a kind of huge manner. Dogecoin in a real sense has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, genuinely further appearance how Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089. Exhibiting that this in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, exceptionally positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, which is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge certainly diminished by 25.887%, taking out an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.025 from its sort of current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a kind of good by and large purchase of valuable open door for in every practical sense, speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 18.52%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a by and large least sort of typical cost of $0.085 to greatest kind of normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting how Dogecoin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost truly has shown a great increment of 2.05% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhere near 1.55%, with the sort of greatest kind of typical cost of the coin fundamentally was around $0.076, and the base essentially normal cost of by and large was around $0.073 in sort of beyond 4 months, showing that Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089. Exhibiting that this all things considered makes Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part positioning at 9 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will generally be Dogecoin fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The Doge cost in every practical sense is estimated to truly arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.098, with sort of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, so Dogecoin cost can all things considered arrive at a by and large limit of $0.082, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars. So Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to really be $0.089, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does